Namrata ji is here. She is here. Namrata ji changed the menu of her restaurant menu card. She changed the price. If we can unmute her, ask her what changes she has seen after changing price of one or two products, because she was scared to make all the changes. She changed price of one product, then of second, and slowly she started changing. And what happened? See. Please tell, Namrata ji.
Gurudev Adesh.
Om.
I don't know from where to start actually. Like, numerology is incredibly effective. Trust me. And what I have learned from Gurudev when I started the class with him, and I just decided to apply and see for myself and change changes, which numerology can bring about. So my joint Paratha Point was doing excellent prior to COVID situation. And then, normalcy was not picking up. It was not taking. So then I decided to change my prices according to the way I have learned from Gurudev of, according to my destiny number, I did the changes. And I don't know, while speaking also, I'm having a goosebumps. What big miracle happened. Like, it was like, there were few items which I changed, my popular items, and the revenue just increased by 20% in first week. And gradually that 20% went up to 30 to 40. And right now, after doing the numerology and learning things from Gurudev, I am opening a new restaurant, because now, I'm like too confident, this numerology is going to work miracles. So I'm opening very soon, I'm opening the second restaurant, and all thanks goes to Gurudev. All thanks goes to